Alright, before I go and put these videos on YouTube, I'm gonna get this out the way. My least favorite part in the game. Defending Ashley. Alright, first thing I want to do is get rid of those two sniper guys with the bow guns. And the rest should fall easily. One to the right, one to the left. Bye bye. Run to a corner and stick to it. Oh, watch out now. Stay down. Damn, I probably just told her ass to wait. That's okay, I'm probably gonna need her ass to run with anyway. Still sitting over there. Oh shit. Come more. Stay down. Okay, yeah, you just be an idiot and just sit there and get hit, Ashley. Yeah, just sit there and be stupid. Don't broad. No, I know you got flag in them. Lagos. Okay, die. You're wasting time. Fucker. Give me that money. Go ahead and pillage right quick before I go down. God dang it, where are they coming from? Woo! Yeah, I really don't care about Ashley. She can get hit if she wants to. She can get hit, man, but as long as I don't get hit, I'm good to go. Whoa, buddy. Go this way. Take care of this dude down here. Burn. Let's see what he's gonna give me. Ooh. Yeah, we like grenades. Ooh, another one. Alright. More shotgun ammo. Alright, you take this corner. Dumb broad, I'll take this one.
Follow me.
Get over here.
Wait.
Alright, let's go and see who's outside. Uh-oh. Run away. Get my Punisher out. I'll punish you. You know what? Just come on, Ashley. We'll bust through him. Or I'll bust through him. You just follow. Okay, how many there are? Oh, man. Get out the way. Get off! Get off. What the hell are you doing, Ashley? Dumb broad. Get over here. Man, get the fuck over here, man. Dumbass. I don't know why the fuck you did that. Hurry up and die. Got shit to do. Gotta go forward. Okay, stop coming already. I don't care where you're coming from. Just stop. Damn it! Shit! Whoa! You run up on me. Die. Fucker. Hell no, I'm doing it. Fuck Ashley, man. Shit, I ain't let her do shit. Step back a little bit. And that red guy still up there? Gonna get rid of you right quick. Didn't have a plagger. Oh, hold on. Check these rooms right here where the sniper was. God dang it, there's another guy still alive down there. Damn it. Just had a fucking flag in him. Huh. Almost missed it. I'll take that money off you. See what we got here. First aid spray. Fuck first aid spray. Shit for pussies. We use herbs and shit. We don't use fucking first aid sprays. Hell, I'm gonna sell that shit.
Look, there's a crank over there.
Yes, I see. I really do hate this part. I gotta defend her and I gotta defend myself. Oh boy.
Watch out for me.
Here we go. Motherfucker slow as a fucking caterpillar. We got to. I know some guys run up on me right now. Here they go. Fuck. Hold still. I'm straight from the shit. Double mid headshots. Oh shit. I know I'm gonna get grabbed. Ah! I really hate that. You kill a guy and somehow he still grab you even though he don't got a fucking flag in him. He still grabs you. Stay back. Trying to do some shit. Get rid of this guy. Run into him like an idiot. Damn it. Oh, thanks for laughing. You gave yourself right away. Get out of my face. Pull you back out. Well then, if you stop working so damn slow, man, we can get out here faster. Dumb broad. About as smart as Britney Spears and her sister. Hurry up now. If I can get up there, man, I grab that money. But she ain't smart enough to grab it for me. That's why I hate her too. Another reason for me to hate her. Money on the ground, she won't even pick it up for me. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry the fuck up. Hurry up, hurry up. Yeah, you screaming for him right here, you dumb broad. Life all in danger and shit, you taking your time? Man, we don't need that. Hurry up, man.